Hello guys, this is Mainak from Civil Center and this is our 7th video on the video tutorial series on how to make a beam column plan in AutoCAD. So friends, without wasting any time, let's get started with the finishing touches of our beam column plan. So we can just make a copy of this and keep it here, and we can use this for representation purpose. We can just move this, we'll select the center of this and then paste it here. Similarly, we can just copy this, and from here we can just place it along all the points along which it is to be placed. After that, simply we can change the text. It will be B here, C, D, so we have named these texts. Now after that we can just rotate this. So the ortho is on here, so we can rotate this and we can just change this text type as 1. So now as you can see that the text is also rotated, so we'll not rotate the text here, we'll just bring it to default position. So it is to be made sure that the text is not rotated, because we want to keep the text in the default position. So this is our text here. So select this and simply click on copy. We'll select the middle of this and then paste it here. Along all the grids, we'll just paste it. So we have put the numberings along all the grids. This is 1, so we'll just change it. Let me name it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have completed the nomenclature of all the grids. Now don't need this, we'll delete this. Now we can simply copy this grid lines to here using the mirror tool. So we'll do this in the next video. See you there, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. And also we provide offline training to civil engineers, civil engineering students and professionals. So if you are interested to join, please contact 9777469666 to join Civil Center Student Club. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.